put it back and then let's try it. So hello guys, alright, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video, as you can see, the Xiaomi Pro 2. So we will going to try to fix this kind of error. So let's open. So this is the error of the Xiaomi Pro 2. So this is the problem. So this is the problem of Xiaomi Pro 2. So let's go in to try or to check what kind of problem of this. So let's go and let's open the motor and let's try to fix this kind of error. So let's go and let's do it now. So let's open the motor. So the problem is error 18. So let's go into check what is the problem. So error 18. Sometimes we lose the connection up here. So I see the problem. So as you can see, the wire is broken. So maybe this is the problem of this kind of error 18. So as you can see, the black, the yellow, and the green and blue are all connected to the motor, but this red is loose of the connection from the motor. So let's go and let's try to fix and let's try it. Is the error 18 is disappear. So let's go and let's wiring or connected. So let's go. Alright guys, so we're going to connect it now. So we put a little bit. And we're going to put the seat. Oh, it's too much hot. Oh, yeah. And now we're going to connect here the another one. Alright guys, as you can see, we are already connected now. So before we going to close this kind of motor, so make sure we're going to clean this kind of parts if there have something put to inside to the magnet. So let's take it out the motor. So as you can see, we already take it now. So first we're going to check. So make sure we're going to clean this kind of parts. And then also this. So maybe we are ready clean it all. Again. So as you can see, you cannot put it back because there have a, hindi ko alam tawag dyan, so okay. So alright guys, as you can see, I already put it now. So first, before we going to put the bolts, we're going to put the bolts. So let's go into try the scooter. There have error or no? So let's try it. Let's open it. So this is it guys. As you can see, I don't have error 18 now. So the problem is the wire of the motor. So that's why now it's good. So let's go into take it the bolts inside, and then let's put it the wheels, and then we'll try it now the motor. Okay, right. Okay guys, so let's try it. So first, we're going to try. Alright. As you can see, we already finished now. So this is it guys for error 18. So thank you for watching this kind of video. So See you to my next vlog. Goods.